Yo you guys, what is going on? It's your boy Russell, back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. Let's go ahead and get into it. So Apple has these at a retail price for $350. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty steep honestly, especially for $350. If you want to get these at a slightly cheaper price, I would suggest going to Amazon.com. Because for the price over there, it's $270. So you're looking to save around like $80. One last thing before we go over the unboxing, I have to let you guys know where I got this. So recently I just purchased myself a new iMac computer, and I purchased that because school was coming back. And one thing that they told me was, if you're a college student or a high school student, you can get a free pair of Beats with the purchase of a Mac, a MacBook Pro, or an iPad. So I went ahead and purchased an iMac, and I got these pair of headphones for free. Alrighty guys, so without further ado, let's get on to this unboxing. The first thing I need is the boxing knife. Where the hell is that? Oh, thanks man, appreciate it. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and go over some of the features. I did mention earlier that there's 22 hours worth of battery life here, and another feature that they have here is fast field charging. So essentially what you can do is you can charge your headphones up to 10 minutes straight, and once you charge it for those 10 minutes, then you can have 3 hours back of playtime. And over here on the bottom, they have a built-in microphone here where you can be able to talk to your friends, your colleagues, or even your family, man. Alrighty guys, so we got the box right here. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy and let's check out what the headphones look like. Alrighty you guys, so we got our headphone case with the headphones inside it. Let's go ahead and see what other accessories we get inside here. Alrighty, pull this out. Alrighty, so let's see what we get over here. Alright, so we do get our cable right here. If you guys don't want to go Bluetooth, if you guys want to have something wired, then this is what you're going to be using for the headphones. Plug that off to the side. And then over here, we got our books and manuals over here. But I really don't care too much about these. What I really care about is the Beats sticker they give you right here. You know you're going to have to use this at some point. Going to stick that somewhere soon. So the last thing we get here in this box is we get this nice carabiner clip right here. This is going to be for the pouch right here. So let's go ahead. Okay guys, so the last thing that we get here in our box is this nice little carabiner clip. We're going to attach this to the Beats pouch right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do that right there. Yep. So that's what it looks like right there. Alright, I see what we're working with. Alrighty guys, so over here they give you some instructions for the controls for the wireless mode. So over here you got your low volume, and over here you got your high volume, and over here you got your pause, and I think if you press 2 times it goes to the next track, and then if you press 3 times it goes back to your previous track. And over here guys, this is where it says charge me up. So this is where you're going to plug in the micro USB right here so that you can charge up your headphones. So the colorway that I went with is a nice charcoal gray, just a nice neutral color just to have. And whenever I'm touching these feel like really premium headphones. But let's be honest guys, whenever you are purchasing a pair of Beats headphones, you're not really getting the quality, or you're not getting like anything else out of it. The main thing that you're going to be getting is just the look right here. the Beats logo right here. That's what you're mainly paying for, because a lot of artists and celebrities, they have these types of headphones, and we honestly get them just because of them. That's the for sure thing. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and connect these headphones to our phone right now. And just like that, I'm connected already in less than 3 seconds. Now that's some beautiful quality right there. So right now I'm gonna pass this off to my friend Drey. He is one of my greatest friends that I've gone to hang out with throughout high school and college. Let's go ahead and get Drey over here.
What's up YouTube? Drey here, the camera guy. So I'm gonna be testing out these Beats wireless 3s for you guys today and giving you my opinion on how they sound. Alright you guys, so just back from that, and what I got to say about them is they're very comfortable. So yeah, you put them on and they grasp around the ear real nice, you know what I'm saying? They just form around most ears nicely. And the bass and treble contrast is phenomenal. I can't express enough how not one overtakes the other. Also, what I noticed is that after noise cancellation, that works perfectly. I can't hear anything on the outside, so you'll enjoy that feature if you're into that. And basically that's all. So comfortable, great treble and bass, in that active noise cancellation. You can't beat that one, man. And they're wireless. You connect to Bluetooth, then it's 3 seconds flat. Alrighty, now back to my main man Wilson.
Wow, okay, that was awesome. Well, you guys, there you have it. That was my friend Drey reviewing over the Beats Studio 3 headphones. And to be honest, what I really like about these headphones is I just love how secure they are in your ears. I really love the fidelity, the clarity, and the quality of the headphones. And in all honesty, let's just go ahead and bring back Drey over here so that we can both say our goodbyes here. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing of the Beats by Drey Studios 3. Now I know that video was a little bit all over the place, but this was my first unboxing and this is my first time doing YouTube right now. So I hope you guys can give me a break on this one. And Drey, man, thank you for coming through for me, brother.
No problem, my man.
Alright. And if you guys like this video, please smash that like button, comment what you think about this video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel because more videos are coming out soon. And you guys, that's all the time we have right now. Until next time, I'm out. Deuces.
Peace out.